Hi, good morning. This is my part of my vlog for today. So it's nice to be back at the park. So I hope you would stay with me, accompany me for the whole sessions of the skip jumps and jumping rope. So we'll have more sessions today. Yeah. So just have a warm up. Yeah, loosen the shoulder. Loosen the shoulder. Just loosen the shoulder. Yeah, to make it, to be ready. Jumping. Yeah, this is my knee. Of course, I have the support. So I think we can start some. I can start warm up. I will get my skipping rope. Yeah, same. Yeah. So let's do some warm up. Warm up. I hope it will not rain. Oh, sorry guys. It rains. Huh? So it's raining. It's raining guys. Heavy rain. Oh. But I'm under the trees. Oh. What should I do? Okay, I have to find a place where I can have a cover. I think it's, yeah, I have to go there. Okay, let's go there guys, to be safe. To be safe. It's not good to be, yeah, I have to go there. Yeah, to be safe. It rains. We need to stay here just to be safe. To be safe guys, I have to go. Yeah, it's good. At the park you can find a place wherein you can have a cover from the rain. I hope it would stop. Yeah, I hope it would stop. Good morning. So I found a friend. There is always come also here for jogging. So what's your good name, sir?
Jackie.
Mr. Jaggi. So which sector?
11 sir.
11. Okay. So I stay in sector 11 as well.
11
Sector 11 as well.
Which
Yeah, road 19.
19.
Yeah.
I'm 17.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you. Yeah, my name is Mike.
Nine.
Yes.
What are you doing in Bangladesh?
I'm working in garment.
Garment.
Yes, sweater. Yes, in Gasipur. Yeah. So I hope the rain would stop. Otherwise, I cannot continue my exercise today. I usually do the skip jumps. Yes.
Also sometimes.
Yeah.
Morning I am coming only Friday.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
another working day I am coming in evening.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so I met another local friend. So I'll feel more comfortable coming to the park. So he's Mr. Chagir. So and Purjeli, we are staying in the same street, the same sector anyway. Both we are staying in both sector 11, and the park is located in Sector 12. You know, oh, they are still, yeah, they're still working and they are motivated, you know. Oh, really nice to see them continuing, but I think better for us as we grow old, we need to be safe. Yeah, not safe for us to stay under the rain. Oh, it's getting a little bit heavier, the rain, but so for the meantime, guys, I would stop my video, and I hope I have to wait. I cannot go out, you know. I cannot go back at the moment to my apartment because it's heavy rain now. It's really heavy rain now, heavy. As you can see, I focus it. But anyway, thank you for having with me, and I hope it would stop, you know. And thank you again, and I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless.